Hello and welcome to this unboxing video for the MAG-12008 lawnmower blade cleaner. As you can see here, we already have it out of the large box that the unit comes in, and we've taken some of the packaging out already. Also, of course, the manual. The first thing we want to do is take off the cardboard motor protection shroud and then remove the dust cover. Now you'll notice the blade cleaner is bolted to a piece of OSB. It's held on by 4 bolts. You'll want to remove that. That's only for transport. From the factory, the units are wired for 110. Make sure to plug it in and test the unit that everything is running according to the instruction manual. And of course, inspect for any possible issues. And if you have any problems or questions, contact us right away so that we can take care of it. Thank you for watching this unboxing video for the MAG-12008 blade cleaner. Hey, thank you again for watching. We certainly hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for new content as we release it.